should come here more often. Whenever we're in nature, whenever I'm in nature, it feels like everything here is just natural in the way it should be. If you look at this tree, if you look at these roots, you know, who decides that the root comes here and grows at this angle? Is it somebody from city planning who comes down here and tells this tree your branches has to be at a 40-degree angle? No, of course not. It just grows naturally. So maybe that's why I like it here. Maybe that's why we love nature. Because sometimes we can be like that, you know? That we feel that our branches and our roots and our goals and our things in life have to grow in a certain way. I have to meet my goals in this way. But when you come here, you are reminded, first of all, that you are small, and second of all, that things grow naturally. Nature never hurries, yet everything gets done. You come here in winter and everything seems dead. And it teaches you that from death comes life and from life comes death. It teaches you all you need to know. I sometimes think like people from the city, and I used to be from the city, they view nature differently. They think like it's like they walk in the forest and there's like birds coming to see them and they're real happy and they go, oh, it's so nice, the Great Spirit is watching over me. And I'm not saying that if you see a lovely bird that isn't the case, but you know, a lot of these birds are very territorial, and when you take a walk in spring, these birds they check you out. It's not because they want to protect you, but it's because they want to protect their territory. Some of these birds, they fight to the death to get the best real estate. So that's also part of nature. Whenever there's like this war and conflict in the world, you know, I open up social media and everybody's like posting things like, well, dropping bombs for peace is like fucking for virginity, and everybody is sharing John Lennon songs. Imagine all the people. And I'm like, yeah, that sounds really intelligent. I'm not saying that war is a part of nature, but I'm just saying that war has always been a part of man and shall always be a part of man. Just be lucky if you're not a part of it in your lifetime. You know, like things that happened in the First or Second World War, that wasn't natural. But like getting killed, suffering, that also happens in the natural world. But these dead trees were lying here, who knows, they might have suffered. But it's all part of the natural world. So if you say that you love nature, it's a popular thing to say nowadays. But you can't accept that life has 4 seasons. And that death is the phase that comes for renewal. Maybe you don't love nature at all. Now, it's time I bid you farewell, so I can spend some more time here without a camera.